Despite being a new brand, I think Nothing is the only one who is doing some great work in the budget segment. Look at the Nothing Phone 4B. It's probably come around 30,000 for the base variant, but the package it is bringing is pretty commendable. Looking at the price hike in 2026, you get a clear case in the box, but there is no charger unlike other times. You get a semi-transparent design with the camera module being transparent. You get the dual stereo speaker, a USB-C, contrast buttons, also a noise cancelling microphone in the top, and the essential key that is a signature thing for Nothing phones. Yes, the phone is heavier because this bring a bigger battery than other Nothing phones, but it is comfortable. The display is 6.77-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. It is LTPS. The brightness is pretty good. Outdoor you can get 1200 at high brightness and peak brightness is 2000. Yes, the bezels are a little bit thick, but it is nearly symmetrical in the three side, and the chin is a bit more. Yes, I think the chin is a bit more. The stereo speaker quality are good, so overall the multimedia experience will be great. It is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, and despite being a 6th generation chipset, I think it's a pretty good looking at the price point, because at this price point you get over a million score, which is pretty good. With the combination of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, it can give you decent performance in every condition. As I already said, it is the only Nothing phone bringing 6000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging and 7.5 watt reverse wired charging. The Nothing was getting a little dull with some addition of new app, but you still get the full customization of Nothing widgets. There is also the support of Essential Space that you can register using the Essential key. In terms of software, it is running on Android 16 and get 3 major updates with 6 years of security patches. It also has the small but still present glip lighting. It still reacts with notification. You can customize it and also with ringtones. It has every sensor including fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The connectivity has 9 5G bands, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 6.0, which is pretty commendable. Also, if you look, the overall value of this phone is pretty good. The camera, yes, it is also practical. A 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 16 megapixel selfie. The IP rating and the USB type generation, it can be upgradable, but yeah, we have to manage with that. Overall, I think everything it brings as a package for 30,000 is a great deal, and the other brands should do similar upgrades with their phone, because the price hike is pretty tense current now in the smartphone market.